Hi everyone, I'm Jack, and this is our second topic for the transportation market. So at the first video, we were talking about the IOV and AIOV markets. And in this video, I would like to go deeper and dedicate it into Avalue's service and capability and our solutions to our customer. And for today's topic, I would like to start off with a question mark for you guys. So how Avalue will shape the transportation in the smart city? So our answers to you guys is that we support our customer with innovative solution in fields of the public transport, first response, logistic, and raw material management, and also the related infrastructure in the smart cities. We also help our customer to achieve faster time to market within our idle solutions, how to make this work smarter at the same time with the best quality, performance, and the support. So in this page that you can see our service and capability to our customer, I will go to every one in detail in the following slide. So the first one, the wide range of the product. As you know, Avalue is a professional hardware provider, but not only that we can have the box PC solution, that we also have the panel PC, SPC, or mini IDX, the motherboard, and also for the new technology, the so-called the e-ink, to serve our customer. So not only we have the hardware solution, we also have the software ability, have different software utility to provide a total solutions to our customer based on their requirements. And the second part is the domain know-how is transportation. So we know that in transportation area that we have a lot of challenge and some specific criteria and characteristic we have to fulfill. So for examples, if your box PC is installed inside the vehicles, they might meet the challenge of the unstable voltage. So all the product related is designed as a wide voltage from 9 to 36 voltage. And for the harsh environment that we have for the wide temperature design from -40 up to 70 degrees. And also for some feature like ignition control, power management, and so this is the must criteria for the transportation that we all have the years experience to fulfill our customer. And the last one is the certifications. So in every vertical market, they have some specific certification. For example, in vehicles that we have E-Mark, and for railway we have EN 50155, and for marine that we have IEC 60945. So those are our abilities and the service to our customer. And the third one, I think will be most importantly is that for the next level, because so far a lot of competitors and suppliers, they're thinking in the hardware's thinking, but our mindset and our solution is all based on the software and hardware combining together, which is related to our end customer applications. So in the next video, I will give you some ideas about how we really implement into our customer application with our thinking. And the fourth one, I think is also very important, is that a dedicated team to support, starting from the engineer, software engineer, and the system engineer, mechanical designs, FAE, the PM, and the sales, that we provide the complete service to our customer starting from the project's beginning to the end. Also the customer service, and we have our sales support to maintain the relationship with you guys and to give you the support that you actually needed. And in the following second section, I will go into deeper for every segmentation. And this is how we look at the new era of the CE map. This is our imaginations and the view of the new era of a smart city, and we divide it into 4 different segmentation. The first one is public transport. The second one is public service. The third one is logistic, and the last one is raw material management. And all 4 segmentation is involved inside this map. So one day you'll realize that in every corner, in every moment, you will experience Avalue solution, but you don't even know that. So for the first segmentation is related to the public transport. So for example, for the bus, rail, and the school bus, and so on. And the second part is for the public service. So for example, the police car, ambulance, and garbage truck, and so on, so-called the public service. And the third one is logistic, and for port management or the warehouse management. And the last one is for the raw material management, for example, for the agriculture or heavy duty, for example, the mining fields. So in those segmentation have different infrastructure, different vehicles, and our solution has already implemented into those vehicle and area. So in the following that I will go to every segmentation and to give you these ideas, what is actually our customer receives the benefit and advantage from Avalue solutions. So first one, the benefit of the Avalue solution in public transport area is that we increase the safety and efficiency of the whole journeys, not only in road, rail, and marine. And the second one is to decrease the environmental impact with the electronics vehicles and devices. Because everyone knows that the EV car is the very hot topic at this moment, and in the future there will be less on the real cars at the road, I would say, but instead that we will have more and more electrical vehicles. So our solution is relatively very important to those customers for the aftermarket. And the third one is to improve the user experience while taking the public transport. And I think this is also the very main issue, is that we live in this world and we want to guarantee our safety while you're working on the streets or taking any vehicles. So our solution also have to come out with the results and the advantage to our customer to ensure the safety of the whole journey. And the last one is the accident prevention while taking the public transport, and this will be similar to the third ones. So as you can see the pictures here, is that those are the real projects we already implemented into the city. If you have any interest and you want to go more details, please contact with us and I would like to share more story with you guys. And the second one is public service. So again, the question is, the benefit of the Avalue solutions in public areas. We try to improve the efficiency and accuracy of the law enforcement and public service. And also we have the multi-IO port and expansion for the various device connection. And we also increase the safety of the public tax executions and also to resolve the traffic congestion problem. So all these is the society issue that we help the government or we help the system integrator to solve the real problem at this society. Those are the real projects we already implemented into it. So not only that, have the box PC, panel PC, single board computing, and also have our additional value, the software ability to serve our customer. And the third one is logistic and the raw material. So I will go with the logistic first. And also the topic is the benefits. Well, what is the benefits for the logistic? So actually that we increase and enhance the productivity and efficiency, and also for the deduction for the labor cost and maintenance, because all of the vehicle has been transferred from human being to the autonomous driving. So the labor cost is getting increased and increased. So all the heavy work will be done by the vehicles, and it is autonomous vehicles. So how you can imagine in the whole port management or in a warehouse, it's all executed by the vehicle instead of the human beings. So we help our customer to deduct and to reduce the labor cost and for the whole work. And the third one is the routed safety with autonomous vehicles improvement. The fourth one is the vehicle telematics system for the various application usage. So as I mentioned, in this field, there's a lot of vehicles. How we can guarantee the safety and to ensure the safety between the human beings and the vehicles. And this is how our telematics system can do for our customer. So those are the real cases I would like to share with you, and contact us if you have any interest. And the last one is raw material management. So for the raw material management that we focus is on the agricultural or the heavy duty in the mining. And we really have some good cases in these sections. And also I would like to mention about our benefits and advantage to our customer. And the first one is to ensure the safety and the status of the driver. Because in the mining fields and agriculture, the area is really big. So we want to make sure that the driver's data is in 100% and workable. So we use some devices to detect the driver's status, and those devices are connected to our system or computer. And the second one is better route planning for the fleet management. And also reflected to the first topic is that because the field is so big, so we have to make the best fleet management and best route. The third one is critical work environments for 24 hours. And this is also, can imagine that in the mining fields and its agriculture, how big and how dangerous is the environment. And the fourth one is to increase the productivity on raw material. And those are the real cases that we're already working on with our customer. So any interest, let us know. I will give you more stories. So those are the 4 segmentation we would like to share with you. And so that's come to the end of this video. So we would like to recap the city again. So look at the city, how beautiful is the city? So how big, and there's dynamic, and there's a lot of energy inside the smart city. But you didn't realize that our solution is actually around you, and our solution is actually around you, but you didn't even mention that. Since then you wake up in the morning and you take the bus to the working place or to the schools, that every route that you have experienced all have Avalue accompanying with you. So this is our mindset, and we'd like to share with you our vision and our picture of the future smart city. It's a new era of the smart city. So not only that we're just focusing on the hardware, but we're more concerned about a society issue, and to also to let you know that we care your life and we care your living space. So we have to upgrade it and to, I would say upgrade it or to increase the safety for the living. They're going to have the third videos later. Please stay tuned, and I would like to give you some hints for our next video is that we will share more case study, and which is based on our real cases and the real applications. So our thinking way is not only for the hardware, but also for the total solution and to move closer to our end customer. So please stay tuned. So following our channel and following our website, and you will get more information. So don't forget, I give you a lot of stories and some case at the previous pages. If you are interested in anyone, let us know, let our sales guys know, and we will contact with you and share more story with you. So thank you.